Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you my brackets to lower the Sabelt seats on the Fiat 500 Abarth. What you're gonna replace on the car is this. This is the original frame which is between the seat and the rails. After the installation of the brackets, you are going to store it somewhere. This part will be removed from the car. I offer two versions of the lowering kit. One is the flat version, because it just lower the whole seat down of about an inch and a half. The two brackets replace these two parts, not the pipes here, just this. They match the original parts of the car. They have the same threads on the rail side, and the same bolt diameter and the thickness of the metal. And also they have the clip where you clamp the steel cable that make you possible to hold the back of the seat. The installation is quite simple, just time consuming and uncomfortable, because you have just to unbolt 8 screws on the seat side and another 5 screws on the rail side, and that's it. You remove this one, you put the 2 rails, you fit the seat on the rails and clamp the cable and re-tight the bolt. But it will take time, because it's very uncomfortable to work on this side of the car. Another version of the kit that we offer, this one. This is Reclined, and also it has an offset. If we match the mounting points of the brackets with the original frame, you can see that the whole seat will be moved towards the center of the car, and it's lowered on the back of 1 extra centimeter to make the sitting position a little bit more twisted like this, because I find a bit more comfortable. And the last thing, when you're going to make installation, you will keep your own part that sits in this place. This is where you clamp the seat belt. I don't supply this one. You will use your own. I've made this offset because it's less than an inch. Because, come with me, driving my own car, I've seen that it's impossible to adjust the back of the seat without opening the door, because there is no room here to put your hand. You can't. You have to park. You cannot do it while driving.